Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to hide a story from everyone at once on Instagram mobile. Sometimes you might want to upload a story on Instagram, but not let anyone else see it. Maybe you just want to test out how a story looks, or maybe you're posting something personal that you don't want to share with your followers. Instagram gives you control over who can view your story, and with a few settings, you can hide it from everyone at once. Let's go step by step on how to do it. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. Then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Here, tap on the three lines menu at the top right corner. This will open up more settings options. Now search for story in the settings. If the option is available, you can access it directly. If not, don't worry, we will reach it through the story itself. After that, go back to the home page. Then tap on your story from the top left corner to start adding a story. Here, tap on more from the bottom right corner of the screen. Now select Go to Story Settings. Inside the settings, check the section called Viewing and Hide Story From. Then tap on 0 People. Here you'll see a list of your followers. Select the persons by checking the boxes next to their names. If you want to hide your story from everyone at once, simply select all the people in the list. After that, tap on Done from the top right corner to save the changes. Now, under Close Friends, you'll see 0 People. Tap on it. Here you can select any one person to add in Close Friends, then tap on Done. Next, again tap on 0 People below Close Friends and make sure the option is checked. This ensures your story is shown only to the close friends. Now go back and swipe to upload a new story. Take any photo or video that you want to post. Then tap on Close Friends at the bottom instead of your story. Finally, once the story is posted, tap on it to check. Here you can confirm that your story is hidden from everyone else and visible only to the one person you added in Close Friends. Or if you didn't add anyone, then effectively it's hidden from all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.